Good morning, everybody. Like to know who's out there would like to know about some cooking videos I'm going to be doing live. Thanksgiving's tomorrow, and I'm going to be doing a couple quick cooking videos showing you what I do to prep for Thanksgiving, some stuff you can do ahead of time for some really great homemade things. I'm going to do some appetizers, a really good appetizer that is always on demand this afternoon. Something you can even do up and freeze, and then pull out and cook. I've done it in the past where I've actually frozen this and put it right on a cookie sheet when I take it to someone's house and baked it up from there. And it's a little pinwheel pastry. And I've also baked it fresh when I've made it, so real excited to do that live video. I'll probably be doing that later on this afternoon, maybe this evening, depends on when people want to see it. I'm going to do that on YouTube live, so I just want to make that announcement. And I also, probably tomorrow morning, maybe tonight, it depends on when people are interested in seeing it, I'm going to make homemade applesauce. It's really easy to make. It tastes 100 times better than anything you're going to buy out of a jar. The hardest part about homemade applesauce is peeling the apples. And if you have kids, that's what they're for. Okay? And I'm also going to make homemade cranberry sauce tomorrow morning. And again, homemade cranberry sauce, 10 times, 100 times better than anything you're going to buy from the store. Very easy to make. You can make it ahead of time. What I like about homemade applesauce and homemade cranberry sauce is you could make this today, for instance, and put it in the refrigerator, and even though it's going to firm up, if you want it warm, which is how I prefer homemade cranberry sauce, homemade applesauce, is warm. You can make it ahead of time, put it in a saucepan or in a casserole dish and put it on low, either on your stove in a pan or in a casserole dish on low in the oven, just long enough to let it warm up, because it tastes so much better warm. I don't microwave things. If you know me, I'm just not the queen of microwave. Microwave is for a cup of soup, microwave is for a cup of coffee, hot tea. I reheat bacon in the microwave because I pre-cook my bacon, and I'll reheat it for 10 seconds, that type of stuff. I'm sure you hear the lawn guys in the background and the dogs barking in the background. But anyway, thanks for joining me. Let me know, comment when you would like to see me do appetizers. All you need for the appetizer is crescent roll sheets. You can buy those. Everything's on sale right now. And I use cream cheese and Parmesan cheese, and I like them with garlic and a little Italian seasoning. I use a minced garlic sometimes, or a garlic powder. I don't like using garlic salt because so many people have problems with salt, and I don't like a salty appetizer for the most part. Now, if I was still running a bar, I'd put salt in it because it makes people drink. Now, if you want your whole family drunk, if they like to argue and you're trying to mellow them out, put salt in it. They'll drink more wine, it'll calm them down. So anyway, if there's something else you want to see how to make, I can do a video on scalloped corn, but I'm not going to be making my Thanksgiving dinner because Patrick works today and tomorrow, Friday. So we're celebrating Thanksgiving on Sunday. And if you want to see how I make my scalloped corn, which everybody always requests, I can do a video on that on Sunday morning, which you can watch later. There go my lawn guys. Sorry. I can do a video on my scalloped corn Sunday morning that you can save the video, watch it again before Christmas and see how I did it. Otherwise, I'll just do one around Christmas time. But I'm going to be doing so much cookie baking between now and Christmas that my time will be very, very busy, because I make about 1,200 cookies between now and Christmas, because that's what everybody wants from me for Christmas. That's the main Christmas gift. And I have a pug behind me trying to get in the curtains again. Behave yourself. So I'll show you who my noisy one is. Oh, this is Kaylin. Kaylin meet the world. World meet the Kaylin. This is my noisy one. This is our guard dog. Yeah. She's our little rescue. She's a good girl, though. Her sister's sound asleep over there on the couch, doing nothing. Kaylin's the one that barks at everybody, everything that moves. We never worry about anybody ever getting near the house because this is who guards us. Okay? So if you hear jingles in the background, that's who you hear. Jingles and barks, okay? So anyway, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and let me know if there's a cooking video you'd like to see. I am willing to share some of my cookie videos on YouTube. I've got a poll going. Find me on YouTube, Janet M. McCue. Let me know which cookie video. I'm willing to share a couple of my cookie recipes entirely, which if you know me, that I hide those close. Patrick even made a recipe book with just my cookie recipes, and it says top secret on it because he doesn't want me sharing them, but I said I would share a couple, and whatever gets the most votes for sharing, I will do a complete video with ingredients, measurements, top to bottom, everything, instead of just showing you this is how I mix things. I'll tell you all the secrets I do to make my cookies extra special. Just go to YouTube and vote, and as always, you can find me on all the social media and on my website and everywhere else, and right here on Facebook Live. I hope you have a blessed day. Happy Thanksgiving to all my friends and family. Love you. Missed you. Bye. And by the way, no, I don't want to visit anybody who has that white stuff coming down all over their heads. I like that sunshine behind me, even though the lawn guy is blowing dirt up around. You know, I'll deal with that for Thanksgiving. We're supposed to be like 74 degrees, I think, and a little bit cloudy. So I'll deal with a little bit cloudy for Thanksgiving, and I'm good with that. Have a great day. Miss you guys. Bye.